Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your native language on Duolingo. So first of all, what we have to do is we just have to open the Duolingo app in your mobile. When you are in the app, it should look like this. Now first to stop, tap on the flag in the top left corner. Now from here, just tap on the plus button right here. Wait for a couple of seconds. It will load up all the languages. If you want to change to your native language, just scroll down and keep scrolling until you find a language here. If you can find it, just tap on more right here and choose the language you are trying to learn from this list. It will be useful if Duolingo app included the search option here. Since there is no search option, keep scrolling. Let's say I want to learn Russian. Tap on Russian right here and then tap on continue in the bottom right there. Once you do that, it will ask you to change to Spanish because we choose the Russian language right under the English or the Spanish speaker category right here. So just look for your native language category and choose the language right under it, and that's basically how you can do it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.